Hey everyone, it's Rochelle here from the Photographer Society, and in this week's blog I'm going to share with you my 5 tips on how to market your business using Facebook. So this is not about paying for Facebook ads or boosting anything. I'm going to show you how to organically market your business on your Facebook page. So let's get started. So first thing you need to be doing with every single post, and I do hope you're posting regularly because I shouldn't even mention that. You should by now, Facebook has been around for a long time and the algorithm is changing. So you should know that you should be posting constantly, at least 3 to 4 times a week, hopefully once a day at least. So what you need to be doing, the first thing is that you should be adding a link to your website, especially to your contact form, or adding an email, or however you want people to contact you. Look, by all means, you can add your phone number if you really wanted to. But the important thing here is to always add a form of contact with your post. So if you post an image and you write about that image, at the end, you can write, for more bookings, please add a link to your contact form on your website, or please call me add your phone number, or please email me add your email address. Now, I highly suggest though, you add a link to a contact form or your website, only because that way it's easier for people to contact you. A lot of people can't even be bothered to adding, an email into their, to email someone. So they can't be bothered copying and pasting that email. Sometimes when you see an email on a post, it's really hard to actually copy it. You have to memorize it, going back to your email and adding it in. So that's frustrating for some people, and people are always busy and on the go. So if you have a link, always link it to your a contact form on your Facebook page and you're good to go. The second thing is using those posting objectives. So what I mean is, I don't know exactly what they're called, but when you go to post something, it has different objectives of what you want to achieve. So if you want people to message your page, you can add a message button when you post. So it'll give you a form of what you want to do. So use those to your advantage. So if you want people to message the page and book in, then add that as an option, but always take advantage of those depending on what you're doing. The third thing is, and is super easy to do at least once a month, is to schedule in advance. Now, with my photography business, when I have the time, I'll be honest, I've been naughty and haven't been posting a lot, but what I usually do is I schedule in time. So I grab so much images from, past month session, and I will schedule them within Facebook. So all you have to do is add the images, write a description, choose schedule, choose a date and time, and you're good to go. I usually do this for the month ahead, and I schedule them in advance because it takes up, just about an hour to do, and it saves me, a whole month's worth of posting. That way, if you forget or if you've got so much shoots or you're just busy, that's scheduling and posting for you. Number 4 is use that call to action button. And the button I'm referring to is that big button that you have to choose your call to action objective. So on mine, I have the book now. You can have call now, you can have message. There's so much options. So I have book now, obviously, because I get 99% of my inquiries through my website. So that is linked to the contact form on my website. But you can have anything you want, but always test it, make sure the links are working, and use it. Look, if you're like me and you want people to contact you through your website, use that as well. Number 5 is always use an autoresponder on your Facebook page. So if someone comes to message your page, which a lot of people do, especially those that are not tech savvy and don't know how to go to a contact form on a website or fill it out, it's always good to actually have an autoresponder because you're not always there 24/7 answering. And if you're like me, my clients usually, or those clients who want to book me in, usually message me at night because they're all mums or pregnant or have kids, and they only have that time at night, 1 o'clock in the morning, to actually contact a business, and I'm one of them. So what I do is when you message my page, I have an autoresponder. Now Facebook lets you add a minimum amount of words, but I just say, hi, thanks for contacting me. If you're looking to book or require session information, prices, and availability, you head to, and I have, again, because as you guys know, I have the link to my contact form. So everything I do, every inquiry that comes my way, even if it's a phone call or a text, I always link them to my contact page. So I have that on my autoresponder. Now you don't need to have exactly like me, but it's important you set something up so that way if you're not there to respond, you've got something in place that will respond to them and let them know what they should be doing next. And last thing, but the most important thing, is the reviews section on your Facebook page. Now, a lot of us forget this, but what I do, I have a strategy within my business that when I create a bonus images, like a collage for my clients, and I add it to their gallery, the completed gallery. And what I say to them in the email is, if you leave me a review on my Facebook page, I will happily offer you this collage that I've created for you absolutely free. So it's complimentary just for leaving a Facebook review. Now I use these Facebook reviews to show off on my Instagram, and also it helps Facebook rank me, if anyone's searching, because don't forget, Facebook is like a search engine. If I'm looking, like the other day, I was looking for someone to get my eyelashes done. I wanted to try to put eyelashes. It's not going to happen, I don't think so, but I was looking for someone there and I thought, I'll just search Facebook, and I put, fake eyelashes or eyelashes, and it came up, because Facebook knows where I'm based, it came a whole, a search came up of local, salons that do this sort of stuff. And I found that from previous clients, when I asked them how they found me, they said to me, I just typed photography in, and then they put the suburb or photography or newborn photography or baby photography, and I came up. So that made me realize Facebook is a search engine. So you can search, because there's so much businesses on there, you can search, and reviews help, this process for you. So you're more likely to be found that way. So it's really important to ask for a review, maybe give something a bonus like I do in return, because people are so lazy, but when they have something that they're gonna get for the review, they will happily leave you one. So that's really, really important. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode, my 5 tips on how to market on your Facebook page. Remember, doing this sounds a lot, but it's just a matter of getting into the habit of it. And what I've done is I've created a free download for you that you're going to love, to help you, get organic reach on your Facebook page. So go and check that out. Until then, guys, I will see you in next week's blog. But if you have any questions or any comments, do leave them below. See you then. Did you know the number one struggle us photographers face, especially when starting our photography business, is we can't book enough sessions into our business in order for it to grow and for us to make money? So what I've done is I've created a training that's absolutely free for you to join. And I'm going to show you 3 ways you can book more sessions right now. So these 3 things that you can do in your business right now to book more sessions and hopefully get your calendar booked up. All you got to do is go to thephotographers.society.com/training.